Hey everyone! For this video, I'll teach you how to check someone's location on your phone. With this tutorial, you'll be able to find your friends' locations easily. The first step is opening Find My. The Find My app is an app that's built in Apple which helps you find missing items like AirPods or AirTags. It even helps you find your friends' locations. So, if your friends are connected to your iPhone, you can simply tap on them and find where they are right now. You can also add more friends, or they can add you so they'll know where you are. By clicking this plus icon, you can add friends, you can add family, and if they accept, then you will be able to see their locations. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.